Hey YouTube, I know. You guys are disappointed, upset. Like, every time I'm consistent on YouTube, I just like go MIA and then don't upload and then I pop back out. Well, Happy New Year's, Happy Valentine's Day, everything that I like been MIA from. Merry Christmas. In December, I was in Nigeria for Christmas. I brought my camera with me. I just didn't vlog. I don't know what it is. I did not lose a passion for vlogging. I just, it was just a lot of chaos in Nigeria, put it like that, in a good way. Christmas in Lagos was crazy. But yeah, I've been to some other places. Like, it's just been that I've been transitioning. I would do like an update video for my YouTube channel. That'll probably come on later. A lot of exciting stuff. But this is not what the video is about. This video is going to be about what is in my carry-on. This big old carry-on bag. Yes, it's a carry-on. Very durable, which I love. At the moment, I'm in Chicago. I'm in Illinois, near Chicago. And I decided, why not film what's in my carry-on, since I'm actually like, I actually just chose to bring my carry-on with me on this trip. So I was like, okay, let me actually show you guys what I put in my carry-on. So we're just gonna get right into the video. For starters, this is what I usually would wear to the airport. Something like an oversized t-shirt, leggings, and I usually would wear my Yeezy shoes. These are so comfortable. Even the bottoms, like, just look at the lining of the bottoms. Like, they bounce right off the floor. They feel like you have socks on. These are like my heart. Like, I would definitely wear, I usually wear these to the airport 8 times out of 10. Let's open it up. Or I'll wear my slides. I usually like to wear a sweater on a plane. This is just like a really comfy sweater. It's like a cardigan actually. But you can also like buckle it like this. The sweater is like super comfortable because you never know the condition of the air on the plane. This straightener, I don't even know where it's from. Theraden. I got it from Amazon. As you see, I have my bob on, so I got this from Amazon. This, you girls and guys, this straightener is like the best. I have a little hygiene stuff. I do bring a toothpaste. Okay, so this is like either international or national. I bring a toothbrush. And I bring a toothpaste. This is the toothpaste I use. I also bring like a face wash. Sometimes if I feel like I've been on the plane for a long time, when I get off the plane and let's say the drive is like really long, or if I'm waiting for someone, I'll just go to the bathroom and use a face wash. This is what I've been using. I bring these Neutrogena face wash because makeup removers, just to freshen up my face. Like, cause sometimes like you just feel like you just feel like, I don't know, like drained after coming out, because the air pressure, just being in public, like you're resting your head. Like, do you know how people lay their heads on the plane, on those plane seats? Like, I don't know who was sitting there before me, so I just always like to like have my face always good. Of course, clothes, bring pads, Q-tips. So you guys, I have an incy little teeny problem sometimes when I travel. It could be like, not embarrassing. I'm pretty sure y'all went through this. But so okay, when I travel, and I spoke to my doctor about it too, a lot of times like I notice that I get constipation. So it's due to the time difference at times. It's due to just being in a different setting, eating at different times. Most of the time just being in a different environment, drinking different waters. Just like your body, imagine all your life you're stationed somewhere. and you go outside of your comfort zone, even though I feel like nowhere is out of my comfort zone, because like anywhere in the world at that time is my home. But anyway, like, so whenever I travel, I started to notice that I always get constipation no matter how many times I travel. Like if I'm like, especially abroad, I get like constipation. So I got this tea when I went to Thailand a few years back. If you guys want to watch the Thailand vlog, it is going to be linked in the description box. But I got this when I went to Thailand. So it's called Fit Me. So if I notice that I haven't like pooped for a long time, I'm being personal, I'm being real. There's times like, oh my gosh, like I don't even want to say, I've had like literally problems pooping for almost like a week, 2 weeks, like it's bad. So during the trip, if I know I'm not really gonna do anything that day, usually out of my vacation I try to do like one relaxed day. I would take a tea, a herbal tea. These are herbal. This one is specifically from Thailand. Now this one is more severe. When I say that, girl, your booty hole gonna be on fire. Yeah, like I'm not even lying, like you are gonna be on fire. This one is this is a Chinese one. This one's a little more relaxed. You take this one at night and then the next morning you poop like at ease. So if I notice the constipation is not that bad, and I kind of like using this one more now because it's not as severe. The other one, this one, my dear, hold on to dear life, because you'll start pooping like within 2-3 hours, and that could be a little, you know. So that's like what I bring like with me, like every time I travel, because I have constipation. I just noticed that's just what I have to deal with. So it's like, oh, okay. Like, so yeah, I bring my Polaroid camera. You never know when there's going to be a Polaroid moment. So I never want to miss a Polaroid moment. So I bring my Polaroid. I have so many photos, like Polaroid photos in my wallet. I'm also going to show you what's just like in my handbag, like briefly. I don't even know what's in there. This, like I said, this video was very impromptu. I was like, oh, let me just record. So yeah, I bring a Polaroid because, you know, like I just want to like have a big frame in my apartment and just have like all the like my little Polaroid moments. Okay, I feel like I'm talking a lot, you guys. How have you guys been? I miss you guys. Okay, what else do I bring? Oh, what is this? I got this from Greece at the hotel, or Barcelona, I forget which one. But this is just like a shower gel. This is shower gel, and this is a body lotion. So these two I just bring with me. Sorry. These two I bring with me because when your hands are ashy, after you wash your hands, you just want to have lotion. And just like in case I don't like the hotel lotion or the Airbnb lotion, shower gel, or the Airbnb shower gel, because like I'm very picky on like what I like to smell like. So I'll just like bring like, you know, a little bottle that I like the smell. Funny enough, I'm gonna have to repack all these stuff after this video. I do not use this deodorant, you guys, but I bring this. I do not, like, I barely use this deodorant. It's just that if I'm, like I said, like usually I'll put my deodorant in my check-in bag. In your check-in, you could pack liquids that are this long. It doesn't matter. The 8 fluorine ounces thing, under 8 fluorine ounces thing, only applies to carry-on, because when you're going through TSA, they're gonna throw your stuff out. I had a lot of stuff thrown out that I was so mad about. So I'm helping y'all. Help me help you. So I do not bring this, but like I said, I only brought my carry-on with me to Chicago. So I had to bring everything that I needed. I only bring this if situations like this where I don't have a check-in. But I usually use the Dove spray. I don't use roll-on sprays anymore because when I put on shirts, sometimes it stains the shirts, and I just like the sprays more. I usually use a Dove in the color pink or the color blue, and I started using the lime green too. I don't know what my thing is with lime green. I know my sponge is lime green also. Okay, so we can move on to my bag. I love this bag. The only thing that I don't really like about it is that there's no zip. So I usually don't like carrying this like everywhere unless it's like, because some people pickpocket in places, and if there's no zip, they could literally take anything out of my bag. So first things first, my glasses. A lot of you guys don't know I wear glasses 24/7. Whoa, I only wear glasses. I love these frames. Like they're Ray-Ban sunglasses, but I chose them as my frames because I love Ray-Ban fit on my face. I bring glasses with me all the time because my contacts are also in there as well. Even if I have my contacts in, I always wear my glasses just in case my eyes start to get dry or something happens and I want to change back. Bring contact solution, hairbrush, which has a lot of hair on it right now. A wallet. How could you go somewhere without your wallet? I don't know. This is what I mean by I have a lot of Polaroids. Like I have a whole stash of Polaroids. Alright, let me see if I can show you guys some. Oh my gosh, I have a whole... This is not even all of my Polaroids. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at Sherry. Sherry. That was in London by the... I don't want to say it wrong. What is that place called? The Windsor Castle. That's another thing I bring. Duh. Makeup. This is in Iceland. Sherry again. Share. Sorry guys, I'm over here like reminiscing. I don't know. I have a lot of Polaroids, but yeah, this is me and Sherry in Barcelona at the beach. This is me in Barcelona. Oh my gosh. This is me and Latea. Latea for her birthday. I have a lot of Polaroids. Point is, you never know when the Polaroid moment is gonna come. So I always bring my Polaroid. So this is like a what's in my bag and what's in my carry-on video. Perfume. I don't even know. I don't know what it is. I love perfume. Like, you guys, if you know me, you know I love perfume. Like, I love perfume. I would bring this in my bag, so I wouldn't put it in my carry-on because I don't want it to break. A little, like, it's dirty right now. A little Sephora. Mirror. Oh! Wow! You guys, I've been looking for my Naira since I came back, and I thought I lost it, or I thought someone robbed me. And I found it in my secret spot in my bag, and I didn't even know. Oh my god.
Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks.
Say that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to say I'm going to be consistent again, but I do want to say if I see more engagement in my videos, like if I say you guys actually enjoy like the sit down talk videos, because I don't know, most of my vlogs get more like views and stuff, but I don't do YouTube for the views, just to put that out there. I've been doing YouTube for like since I was like in high, like probably 8-10 years now. So I'm not a newbie. Like I've been doing YouTube before YouTube was like a thing, but I'm just not consistent on it. You guys, my battery totally died on me. I'm using the sunlight to record, so I know it's probably a little darker because as I was charging it, the sun went down. So I wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for like the engagement in my last like DR vlog. Like every day I check the views and it's like it goes up like 100 views and I'm like, hey. But hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my carry-on that I have to pack now. But I hope you guys enjoyed what's in my carry-on. You guys can comment down below what you guys put in your carry-on. And you know, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys 1,000. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Ooh. That went okay. Bye.